Today I will show you how to subtract integers using tiles. Our first example is positive 3 minus positive 2. When we are subtracting integers, we always add the opposite. Okay, so we just copy down the first integer as is. So let's copy down positive 3. And we're adding. So instead of the subtraction sign, we're going to put the addition sign because we're adding. And then we're adding the opposite. So the opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. So our new equation is positive 3 plus negative 2. So positive 3 means we have 3 yellow tiles. So let's draw 3 yellow tiles first. All right, so negative 2 means 2 red tiles. So let's draw 2 red tiles. So now we have all of our tiles drawn in. Now we're just simply going to make 0 pairs. Remember, 1 red tile and 1 yellow tile will always make 1 0 pair. So this is our first 0 pair, and then we have another 0 pair here. Okay, so let's just count how many tiles we have left. We have 1 tile left, so let's write down 1 here. And we have 1 yellow tile left, so yellow means positive, so we're just going to add a positive sign in front of the 1. Positive 3 plus negative 2 is positive 1. So positive 3 minus positive 2 is also positive 1. Okay, so let's do another example. So we have negative 8 minus negative 2. We are going to add the opposite. So copy down your first integer as is. So you have negative 8. And now we're adding the opposite. So instead of putting a subtraction sign, we're going to put a plus sign. And opposite means instead of putting negative 2, we're going to put positive 2. Because opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. Negative 8 plus positive 2. So negative 8 means we have red tiles and we have 8 of them. So we have 8 red tiles. Now we have positive 2. Positive 2 means we have 2 yellow tiles. So let's draw 2 yellow tiles. Okay, so we have all the tiles drawn in. Now whenever we have 1 yellow tile and 1 red tile, we always make a 0 pair. So this is our first 0 pair. This is our second 0 pair. Now let's just count the number of tiles that are left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's write down 6. We have 6 red tiles. Red means negative, so let's add a negative sign in front of the 6. So negative 8 plus positive 2 is negative 6. And negative 8 minus negative 2 is also negative 6. If you need more practice with adding integers, I've created another video and I'm adding the link at the top of my screen. So check out that video for more practice. Okay, so let's do another example. Okay, so we have positive 5 minus negative 1. So we are going to add the opposite. We are going to simply copy down the first integer as is. So we have positive 5. Okay, so we are subtracting negative 1 from positive 5. So we're going to add. So instead of putting a subtraction sign, we're going to put an addition sign. We are adding the opposite. So the opposite of negative 1 is positive 1. Okay, so now we have positive 5 plus positive 1. Positive 5 means we have 5 yellow tiles. So let's draw 5 yellow tiles. Now we have positive 1. Positive 1 means one yellow tile. So let's draw one more yellow tile. Now, since we are adding, we're just simply going to count how many tiles we have all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 tiles. So let's write down 6. And we have 6 yellow tiles. Yellow means positive. So let's add a positive sign in front of the 6. So positive 5 plus positive 1 is positive 6. And positive 5 minus negative 1 is also positive 6. Pause now. We have 10 seconds before the answers will appear on the screen. So these are the answers for the practice questions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my future tutorials.